Welcome to Taryn Cleans It All, the laundry episode. Here's how to become a pro at laundry. Becoming a pro at laundry starts way before you ever open the washing machine. It matters where and how you collect your dirty clothes. First of all, if you or someone you live with has a problem with dirty clothes piles, here's a tip I once heard from an apartment therapy commenter. Don't change your habit, change your habitat. For instance, if dirty socks never quite find their way upstairs to the laundry hamper, here's a tip. You could just put a hamper in the living room. It's not as weird as it sounds. I do it, I put it away when guests come over. But don't be afraid to put a hamper in any room wherever dirty clothes collect. As for linens like bed sheets and towels, those should get washed weekly, or maybe more, or maybe less, depending on your lifestyle. If you struggle with remembering to do it that often, here's a tip. Try to tie that chore to something else in your cleaning routine. That's called trigger cleaning. For instance, if you go grocery shopping every Saturday, before you leave, strip the beds, put the sheets in the wash, don't start it yet, and then when you come home with the groceries, you can start that load and let it wash while you're putting your groceries away. It's all about identifying and eliminating your laundry speed bumps. The next time you do a load, think mindfully about what might be getting in the way for you. For instance, I realized I hated sorting clothes. It was always really challenging for me to coordinate washing different types of garments on different schedules, so I just stopped sorting my laundry. My wardrobe's mostly cotton, nothing too fancy, so I just wash everything together most of the time on a warm or cool cycle. There are some things you'll want to sort though. If you're concerned about germs, like if you're washing a kitchen rag, cloth diapers, or if someone in your home is sick, you're gonna want to wash that separately every time. Do it on a sanitizing cycle or in a hot cycle with a sanitizing product added to the wash. It's a good idea to get familiar with the cycles and settings on your washer and dryer. Like any tool, you need to know how to use it if you want to use it well. Every machine is different. If you're curious about the settings on your specific washer and dryer, just Google it. Search the make and model of the machine along with the word cycles or the name of a setting to discover how it works. If you're like me, you'll wash 90% of your clothes on the normal cycle and then just select a wash and dry temperature that's suitable for the clothes. One thing to remember is that modern detergents don't require hot water to do their thing, and they're just as effective in warm or cool water. And unless you're using the sanitizing cycle, the water in the washer isn't gonna get hot enough to sanitize your clothes. I wash all my laundry on the warm or cool setting. Cool water is gonna be a lot gentler on your clothing fibers, help prevent colors from bleeding, and it's gonna help you avoid accidentally setting in any stains.